Okay, this next one is great to do with a whole class of students. You can do it one-on-one too, but this is a great one for a whole group. You don't need a partner. We just follow along. So this one's called Bim Bum, and there's really only three moves. Bim, we clap our hands together. Bum, we snap. Biddy, we pat our knees. And we're going to do this in a different combination while we sing the song. So let's try it out. So the first part goes like this. Bim bum, biddy biddy bum, biddy bum, biddy biddy bum, bim bum. And then it repeats. Bim bum, biddy biddy bum, biddy bum, biddy biddy bum, bim bum. And now it changes a little. Bim bum, biddy biddy bum, biddy bum, biddy biddy bum, bim bum. Bim bum, biddy biddy bum, biddy bum, biddy biddy bum, bim bum. Now we can do the whole thing again. Ready? Bim bum, biddy biddy bum, biddy bum, biddy biddy bum, bim bum. Bim bum, biddy biddy bum, biddy bum, biddy biddy bum, bim bum. Bim bum, biddy biddy bum, biddy bum, biddy biddy bum, bim bum. Bim bum, biddy biddy bum, biddy bum, biddy biddy bum, bim bum.